Shwmai to you all. My name is Mythflix the Bard, and I've travelled through time because I need your help. But before I get onto that, I should explain a bit more about who I am and what exactly a bard is. Now simply, a bard is someone who writes poems, songs and stories, and also performs them for people. And in Wales, bards and poetry have a sacred place in our history. Back in the first millennium, bards played a central role in the religion of the Celts. Now, the Celts were the people living in Wales at the time. In fact, they lived all across Western Europe. And an important part of their religion were people called the Druids. Now, we don't know much about the Druids, but we do know they liked things like science and agriculture, and some even believed they could see into the future. But one thing they didn't believe in was writing anything down. So they relied on bards like me to learn and take their stories across the whole of the Celtic world. And we're very lucky here in Wales because we still have some of those incredible stories today, thanks to awesome Welsh bards. An example of these stories is the Mabinogi, a collection of awesome Welsh tales filled with superheroes going on adventures full of danger, battles and magic. Superheroes like Bendigeidfran, the giant king, who was so tall he could wade through seas head high. His brother Efnisien, who every time he lost his temper would get as strong as 100 men and smash everything he could see. And superheroes like Arawn, the shapeshifter, who could transform himself and others to look like anybody he wanted. And this is where I need you to come in. I think it's high time we had some new superheroes. So I need you to imagine yourselves like medieval Welsh bards. Use the things around you to inspire you to create brand new Welsh superheroes. I can't wait to hear what you come up with. Goodbye and good luck.